Bart Warburton here with all of the ukulele learning stuff you can imagine. Beginner lessons, super advanced, tabs, videos, charts, lots of tabs for riffs from classic and hard rock stuff like Zeppelin, Van Halen, loads of classical, Mozart, Tchaikovsky, Beethoven. There's Motown, there's country, there's flamenco. There's so much stuff here for every level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or super advanced stuff. And if it's not here yet, just let me know and I'll put it here. I upload a ton of stuff, so it's always growing. Right now there are hundreds of things on there. It's all free to look at. You can check it all out on Patreon/Bart, Bart with 2 T's. Everything is there for you to see and preview. And then if you like it and you want to get some of the stuff, you just join. I made it really easy. There's just one level. You click the button and you join, that's it. You instantly get everything, plus all the new stuff. I upload tons of stuff, sometimes 20 or 30 things a week. Every day there's new stuff, so it grows and grows and grows. There are hundreds of things there now. By the time this video is over, there'll probably be another 100 things. So I hope you'll join me because it's fun! And man, there's good stuff there. Go get it!